Okay, so now we will solve the question number 2 of exercise 4.3 part 2, which says that find the roots of quadratic equation given in question number 1 by applying quadratic formula. And if you see the question number 1, then you will see that this is the second part given in the question number 1. So we have to solve this equation by using the quadratic formula. Okay, so I have earlier discussed the quadratic formula in question number 1 when we have solved the question number 1 of exercise 4.3. okay, part 1 of question number 2, but I'll quickly write the quadratic formula once again. Okay, so what is quadratic formula? In a standard quadratic equation which is given as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Okay, so this is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Here the quadratic formula is given by x is equal to minus b, b is the coefficient of x, plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. You can write this as d also, because this is discriminant which is inside this, divided by 2a. okay, so this is the quadratic formula. By using this quadratic formula we can find out the value of the x. Okay, so let us solve this equation by using this formula. So if we compare the given equation with the standard quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will come to know that the value of a is 2, the value of b is 1, and the value of c is minus 4, right? Because if we see, the coefficient of x square is 2, so value of a is 2, the coefficient of x is 1, the value of b is 1, and the constant term is minus 4, so the value of c is minus 4. okay, so using quadratic formula, the value of x will be, we will directly substitute the value of b, a, c and a into this expression. Okay, so the x will be minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So from here the value of b is 1, this will be minus 1, plus minus square root of, again the value of b is 1, so square root of 1 square, minus 4 into a, the value of a is 2 and the value of c is minus 4, divided by 2 into a, the value of a is 2, the value of a is 2 into 2. So which implies x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1, minus into minus will be plus, 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 into 4 is 32, divided by 2 into 2 is 4. This is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 33 upon 4. okay, so from here we will have the two values of x. One will be by using plus sign, another will be by using minus sign. So the first value of x is minus 1 plus square root of 33. I am using this plus sign and I am writing this expression as it is, divided by 4, and the second value of x is minus 1. I will use now minus sign, minus sign I have used, it is square root of 33 upon 4. This is square root of 33. So these are the two values of the x which we have find out by using the quadratic formula. So if you can see that we had find the same answer for the x in the question number 1, but there we had used the there we had solved the quadratic equation by making the square. Now for me personally, if I want to solve a quadratic equation, this quadratic this quadratic formula is much more better. If I want to solve a quadratic equation, I will use the quadratic formula, because if I use the quadratic formula, it is very easy to solve a quadratic equation. So I insist to all the students that remember this quadratic formula, and wherever you have a quadratic equation, you can directly use this formula and you can find the roots of the quadratic equation.